A very good day to our lecturer, Sir Muhammad Zulikian. Today, me and my group members are going to talk about our case study, which is glass manufacturing in the factory. Our group consists of 3 members only, which are me, myself, Nurin, Qhaiyisha'Aini, and then Micheal.
Since 1998, Crystal Safety Glass has been producing high-quality glass products that extend from Malaysia to Singapore, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and Indonesia over the years. They are committed to keeping up with market needs by providing exceptional service and product of the highest standard, and they have state-of-the-art facilities on our ground. CSG producing facility are 30 minutes from Port Klang in the Malaysian state of Selangor. We are one of the largest firms in the Kelloggong Industrial District with a production capacity of over 500,000 square feet. CSG has a large sales network that spans Malaysia state as well as overseas nations, primarily in Asia. This page contains information on how to work with the various types of glasses to actualize your idea, ranging from safety standard to heat and light transmittance estimate.
Introduction to case study. This case study is about glass manufacturing. The original purpose of this case study conducted is to identify the process of glass manufacturing in the factory of the company. We have made research based on the company that we have chosen and identified their company background. In this case study, we have chosen Crystal Safety Glass CSG company as our case study company. The reason why we choose this company is because it is nation-made company and one of the successful glass manufacturer in Malaysia. So, in this research, we will start with a brief introduction of our case study that consists of the background of the company. Then followed with the purpose of this case study, which is the process of manufacturing glass in the company. In that section, it will explain more about the glass manufacturing, such as types and properties of glass, process techniques and sequence of the operation, and lastly, types of machineries that we use in the glass manufacturing.
Okay, so now I will explain what is the type and properties of material products. So the first is float glass. It is created from the natural orange and high quality sands. We call it silica. Yes, silica. This is component of the melt together by using chemical at a high temperature. The surface of the flat glass is smooth and it has a good optical properties. So the next is reflective glass. This reflective glass coating is added to resist the amount of heat measured by the glass. It can be absorbed and reflect UV and infrared rays from the sun while still allowing natural visible light to flow through. Next, insulin glass. Insulin glass is used to describe a unit made of the several glass panels of metals. This from the North American and Australia. It consists of 2 or more glass with a hollow aluminum tube inserted inside. So next is tempered glass. You know, tempered glass is mostly popular in our using, like for example in our screen protector, we use tempered glass, right? Okay. Often of note, the Triniesa glass is type of safety glass that has been strengthened by the regulated heat of chemical treatments. Yeah. So next is the limited glass. Great heat and pressure maintain the glass layer together even they are damaged, and its great strength to protect the glass from the shattering to the hot shock. So glass is mirror glass. It's familiar for our in the bedroom, right? So I will introduce to you what is the mirror glass. It is the type that is being coated with a metallic compound to give it a mirror-like appearance. We have to bring light, luster, and the completely flat surface that reflect image without distortion. Next.
Meanwhile, the sequences is number 1, sheet processes. With this technique, the sheet surface are extremely flat and we have a uniform thickness. A set of roller in a cast iron tower draw molten glass vertically in continuous ribbon at 950 degrees Celsius. Roll process. Molten glass is poured onto a metal sheet to create rolled glass, which is then flattened using a sizable roller. To prevent brittleness, the glass is annealed or slowly cooled. Wire glass process. Similar to rolling procedure, but this one uses two independently operated pairs of water-cooled foaming rollers that are fed a ribbon of glass from a similar melting tank through separate canals. Last, float process. Eliminating the time-consuming grinding and polishing processes allow for the production of a fire-finished glass sheet with flawless flatness. Glass manufacturing process. First, melting. In a regenerative tank furnace, melting occurs at 1500 degrees Celsius. Regenerative furnace exhausts gases over combustion air a large portion of their heat. The forming process. The forming process occurs between 650 degrees Celsius and 1050 degrees Celsius since the molten glass leave the furnaces at this temperature. Cooling. The surface shrink and cool more quickly than the center. This result is an uncontrollable strain on the glass. The glass will shatter if the surface is scratched, irresilient to thermal shock, prone to shatter while in use. Finishing. The finishing process is cutting, grinding, polishing, toughening, and coating, treatment, packaging, and stacking.
Types and machineries used in manufacturing glass. First, we have glass double-edged line. Glass double-edged line consists of two straight-line double-edged sets and one 90-degree transfer table. It is used to automatically aging and polishing the four parallel straight lines of flat glass. Second, we have glass drilling machine. A glass drilling machine is a cold processing machine that can drill holes in glass sheds and is equipped with an upper and lower drilling bit. Next, we have glass sandbelt grinding machine. A glass sandbelt grinding machine is a manual machine used to sharpen the edges of cut glass prior to the production of insulated or tempered glass. Lastly, we have glass beveling machine. A glass beveling machine is designed for grinding and polishing a bevel edge with a bottom round edge of varying size and thickness of glass. So to wrap it up, Crystal Safety Glass CSG Company is a successful glass manufacturer in Malaysia since this company is rewarded for 2009 Siri Malaysia Golden Bulls Awards, International Honesty Enterprise Careers Award in Asia Pacific 2009 to 2010, Top Excellent Brand in Asia Pacific 2009 to 2010, and Saint-Gobain Glass Goods Certificate Processor. CSG Company manufactures a wide range of high-quality glass products such as flat glass, reflective glass, insulating glass, laminated glass, tempered glass, and mirror glass. To manufacture these types of glasses, several steps of process techniques and steps should be performed by using the machineries that we use to manufacturing glass to ensure that the glass produced is of a good quality. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for lending us your ear and spend time on us. Have a nice day.